Hello guys. I just wanted to stop in and talk to you guys about a few things. Just some new things that I've tried, some things I've heavily been liking, and just say what's up. So this is the first thing. My full face was actually done. This is a Milani full face palette. It's called an all-exclusive eye, cheek, and face palette. So let's see if this has a... This is in Smoky. So it is volume 3 in Smoky, and this is the inside of this lip guy. It's pretty cute, right? So yes, my whole face other than my lip is done with this. I think it was a really good palette. There was a lot of fallout. The highlighter surprised me the most. It's can be really built up, but also like kind of really natural, like just as the light hits, it's not too crazy. But it was also kind of really bright at one point and kind of wore down a little. The blush is really pretty colors. There's 2 different colors and tones, so you could really put this over this. I use this kind of more towards the top, and then this right over here. Obviously a smoky eye look that you'll see on me. And yeah, it was all around. Even the bronze color really worked for me. So it was an all-around good palette. I was sent this. I do have to disclose that. Also, this liner is everything. This is the Lancome Idole liner, and it is really such a cute liner. It is a liquid liner. I do not have it on in this actual video, but I have been using it, and really good. Really thin line. Feels really nice in the hand. Nice light weight to it, but not too light, so it feels like cheap. It's like the perfect weight. Let's get into this, guys. So this right here, I've used this 3 times. I love all things Glow Recipe. I use the Glow Recipe Avocado Retinol, the Glow Recipe Avocado Under Eye Retinol. I use this guy. I'm so sorry, guys. I just yanked the mic with me. This guy right here, this is my second one of this. This is pretty much, I don't want to say a direct dupe, because it's not as heavy. It's a little bit lighter, but a pretty good dupe for the Tatcha Dewy Skin Cream. It is dewy. I use the Hyaluronic Plump. I use the, I can't think of what it's called right now. Hold on. I have the... Okay, so these are in my empties currently right now. I didn't get a chance to do my empties video yet, but as a heads up, these are in my empties. So this is the guava, this is the vitamin C, and this is my all-time favorite. I think that they make, this is the niacinamide. So when I got this, I assumed that I was really gonna like this as a sunscreen. It's the niacinamide line. Thought I was gonna love it. As of so far, I don't know if you guys can see, but I'm kind of breaking out right here, which is not my typical. I don't know per se if it's from this. I am going in for surgery in the morning. Like it's 1 or 2 a.m. and I'm going in at like 9 in the morning. So I don't know if it's stress. I don't know exactly what it is, but let's just say like I use a lot of the line. The only thing I really don't vibe with 100% is the avocado, like ceramide recovery. My best friend loves that though. So yeah, I don't use the banana souffle all the time, but in the summer months sometimes I will just use the watermelon one. In the winter, just use the banana souffle. This is a little bit heavy, a little bit greasy, a little bit, it's just, I could feel it on my skin all day. I'm going to give it more of a chance, but as of right now, I might pass this on to my bestie, not necessarily feeling it all so much, but as you could guess, I do really love this as a new drop. Also, loving this. So I had gotten a few of these, kept getting like the smaller packages, and then eventually we got this girl. So this is very expensive, but you can get like 5 packs and 3 packs for trial purposes, and they're just called the Dr. Dennis Grosso, the Alpha Beta Peels. So you can use them every day if your skin can tolerate them. I tend to use them like 2 to 3 times a week max, and it pretty much is just great for taking away fine lines and making the skin look fresh, and you know, like obviously you can't look poreless, but just not as many pores, as I guess you could say. So I'm really loving those, really loving this, really loving this. Like the Milan palette. Some other things This is a new release by Redken. Made my hair like the purple in it pop. I don't know if you can see how shiny it is. Really amazing. I had this sent to me as well. If I say I had it sent to me, then it was sent to me. Otherwise, I did purchase it. This was sent to me as well. So this is the Perricone MD Acne Relief. I have been using this as a spot treatment on these guys, and they've only really been there for 2 days. So I think this is doing a good job. It's like a salicylic acid, so it's a 2%. So I do really like this. And I think that about sums it up. So this is all like the newer stuff that I have been using and wanted to just catch you guys up with. You guys saw a little bit of my empties, and then like I did a video where I unboxed some crystals with my baby boy. Look at the flash on her back. Yes. And just, I don't want to show all of them because I want you guys to watch the video, but this will be coming. I do buy crystals a lot and figured let me do an unboxing of crystals with my baby boy. He loves them too, so you will see that video going up soon. And I'm gonna see if you guys want to see more of that type of stuff. Now, as a reminder, like I said, I'm going in for surgery in the morning. Everybody send me good vibes and prayers if that's something you do. I'm going to keep myself busy all night. I was not sent my other Boxy yet or any of my other IPSYs, so I'm kind of in a standstill with that. I can't do those videos without them, but then I also don't know when I'm going to be able to sit up and do any videos, as my recovery time is looking at 8 to 12 weeks and at least 2 weeks before I think I'm up by myself or anything. So I will try to remember to vlog tomorrow morning and vlog afterward, talk to you guys, and then maybe while I'm there I'll edit a vlog all together and put one of those together for you. But I did say I'd be back, so I just wanted to kind of throw together things I've been loving. We've got a couple empties in there, things that you might see in the future. Just keep myself busy throughout the night. But I love you all, and I am sending you guys all so much light and love, and I will be making videos as soon as possible, guys. It's definitely going to be like my calm, right? Like the thing that is my therapy, and I'll get back to that as soon as possible. But like I said, I will try to vlog throughout this as I can. And send me, what are you guys up to? Tell me what's good in your lives. Send me all the good energy. Let me know all the positives, okay? So I will see you guys as soon as I get back on the next one. I love you all, guys. Bye, guys.